Boy, oh boy, Poppa here, and I'm so excited to show you what we're going to cook tonight. We got some beautiful Chairman's Reserve filet mignon. I just love these. But then we have some really nice artisan smoked pecan wood bacon with some little tools to fix the bacon to steak. We're using money here, which is really an unheralded rub. It started as my first beef rub, chicken, a lot of different things, and I truly love it, and I think it's going to be great for here because it's like a steak rub. It's got just a little bit of sweetness. I don't like when they do bacon wrapped and the bacon's raw and the steak's raw because the steak's done and the bacon is just kind of meh. So what we're going to do, we're going to take this bacon in the baggie. You know how much I love baggies. We're going to take, we're actually going to pour this money in the baggie. About maybe 2 tablespoons. Shake it really good. We're going to put it in the refrigerator so it can shine and sweat a little bit. Get the air out of it. Now, how we're going to cook this today, we're going to sear it on a cast iron pan. We're going to use my griddle teppanyaki as the burner. So it's going to be great. I'm going to get some really good sear on that thing. In the cast iron, I'm going to flip it, get it seared, but then I'm going to move it over. Now that searing station is 500. The other side is 300 to 325. And I'm going to put a rack to raise it off the grill and then a dome. And I'm going to let that cruise to about 130, maybe 125. And then I'm going to put some butter in that cast iron pan, get it hot again. I got 6 cloves of garlic. I got some parsley, some butter, and some steaks. We'll sear them up. We'll drizzle that parsley garlic butter on top of them, and we will be happy here. So let's do the steaks. The top's nice. Now, when you see money and you use it, it's like Double Secret and Sweet Money, where you see this big sea salt. And everybody at first panics with, oh no, that's salt. Here. Roll these like this. Back here. Same thing. We're going to put it in a baggie and we're going to let this dry rub create a marinade. In the refrigerator for maybe about 20 minutes. Meanwhile, I'll be outside setting up my camera, getting all the cookers the right temperature, and I'll see you there. Okay, so much fun. Now, I always talk about planning your cook. Super important. I think I got everything here. Let's see, I got this at 500. Let's see, in 412. Got as high as it can. This is still only 246. This is my cool side. This is what I want for the bacon. So let's start her up here. I like to cook bacon on some parchment. Nice money there. And we'll put another parchment on it. And then we'll put some cresses. It's going to cook really nicely. Want to keep it flat. And again, we're only trying to cook it about 2/3, maybe even a half. We just want to make it time it so the bacon will be pretty good when we baste it and everything is done. I'm going to do something kind of fun. You guys watch this, and this is a cooking hack. So, editors, pay attention. See, a lot of us out there cooking on the competition circuit wear these cloth gloves. Now, you'll see me all the time wearing the nitrile things. It's just cleaner and safer, but I've grown to love it. I mean, I'll even eat ribs with the gloves still on. So why I'm doing this is if your hands are sweating a lot, use these cotton gloves. But if you're going to be handling some meat, and I'm not talking about sticking your hand in the coals, I'm talking about grabbing a slice of bacon or trying to put the hot bacon on the cold fillet, it's nice to have the insulation. So, double glove gives you some more mobility in handling some meat. Pro tip. See how we're doing here? Getting real close. Another thing you can do if you don't have an infrared one, put the tip of your thermopin on here. It just takes a little while longer. Another reason I like the parchment, besides everything breathes, is it's an easier cleanup. Now, if you see this on the bacon, don't panic if you see some caramelized or what appears to be burnt. It's the sugar which got hit. So this is only 10 minutes, if that. Just put the bacon on some paper towels to drain. Get the other side. Okay, that's perfect. Now, to get the rack ready, we got our bacon. We have our fillets. Try and pick your thickest ones. These neat little Amazon bombers. One's done. Okay. 2 extra bacons, that's okay. Just a nice little avocado spray. Onto the griddle. A little bit more here. Let's put the dome to make sure we get some more. A lot of times you use the dome. This one's got a little vent because you do a lot of steaming. You let some of the steam out. I'm not steaming this. What I'm doing is I'm using the oven effect, but I want to get a nice char on it. And you see I have the base here, over here. This is a really cool thing. It's a rack, it gets it up, just a little bit of air underneath it. I could put the cast iron over there, but the cast iron's still going to be 500. One side's going to cook more. Still will have a little bit, we'll probably turn it right before, but this will really give me a more even steak, which is what we're looking for. See, it's only like 61. So we got a ways to go. Let's just let it be the oven for a second. And then when we get it exactly how we want, then I'm going to turn it over, put it here, put the dome on it with a thermometer and pull it at 128 degrees. So just relax for a while here. Okay, I think we're great. Now if you notice, this side is caramelized fair. Right there. Whatever residual heat's happening here, we want it hitting that lesser side. We're going to move this off. It'll get reheated again. Okay, they're 82. We're going to pull it at 128. Let's put that dome on. Oh, look at that. We got a temperature as our guide. It's about 48 degrees. Probably gonna be about 6 or 7 minutes. We'll be back at you. Okay, we're at 122. Put some butter in the pan here. Deglaze the cast iron a little bit. Okay, we're right about where we want to be. Turn this off. Take the dome off. Take this off. Show you how this looks. Method behind my madness. More butter. Perfect. Now let's add the garlic. Garlic you add the last because it burns pretty quick. Make sure we get the garlic butter in there good. Okay, they're done, baby. Last little touch. Parsley. We're going to do the turkey baster. Okay.